Hi sweeties, today we are going to compare head to head the Cosori air fryer versus the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're going to do battle frozen chicken wings. We're cooking chicken wings from frozen, one batch in the Cosori air fryer, one batch in the Ninja Foodi. Let's see who reigns supreme. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant, hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and now let's get into it.
First, let's take the measurements and see how these two compare in size and shape.
Here we've got the Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. It is just about 13 inches high and about 10.5 inches wide. It is about 11 inches high and 13.5 inches wide at its widest point. The basket on the Cosori air fryer is about 9.5 inches square. The basket on the Ninja Foodi Grill, the air fry basket, is about 8.5 inches by 10 inches. So close to the same area. The basket on that Cosori air fryer is about 3.5 inches deep, and the basket on the Ninja Foodi Grill is just about 3 inches deep. Now on that Ninja Foodi Grill, the heating element is up here and it's covered by a grate that needs to be cleaned, but it keeps this heating element fairly clean. Let's take a look at the heating element in the Cosori, just right up underneath there. The Cosori air fry oven has this touch screen. It's got a bunch of preset cooking time. This one is for chicken, but you can change the settings by pressing time temperature and the plus or minus. The maximum temperature is 400 degrees. For the Ninja Foodi Grill, there's a sticker here with some cooking times. Now, it's got a grill setting and air crisp setting, as well as dehydrate, roast, and bake. Let's turn that on. With the air crisp setting, if you want to raise and lower the temperature, you'll hit this button and it goes up to 450 degrees. And if you use the grill button, the maximum temperature is 510 degrees. And you can use the grill function, but use the air crisp basket. If you want to get it really hot, you can use that max temperature. That's the start stop, and it begins to preheat, and it'll preheat every time you set it.
Let's preheat that Cosori air fryer. Just press the power button and then the preheat setting. It's set to 400, but we will adjust it down to 380 degrees using that minus button and press start. Let's go. Now let's preheat our Ninja Foodi. We will hit that air crisp button and then we'll use this temperature up and down arrow to set it to 375. We can't set it to exactly 380. And then we'll press the time button and we will set it. We'll start with 24 minutes and press start. The Cosori is ready. It's done preheating, so let's get those frozen chicken wings in that hot basket. Let's open her up, and we have here about 1.5 pounds of frozen chicken wings. I've cooked up to 2 pounds of chicken wings in the Cosori, and it works just fine. So let's load that basket up. We're going to try to get it in one layer so everything cooks evenly. The Cosori air fryer has presets, and we're going to cook these wings on the chicken preset. You just hit that little chicken icon. You also have presets for beef, seafood, French fries, all kinds of stuff. So you can adjust the temperature and time up or down and then hit start. Our Ninja Foodi Grill tells us it is ready. It gives us a little beep and tells us to add food. So we will put those frozen chicken wings in one layer. And again, we fit up to 2 pounds of chicken wings in the Ninja Foodi as well. Today we're cooking a pound and a half, just so we keep things even. We'll get them in one layer. And now I'll set a separate timer to remind me to flip this chicken. Let's make our seasoning blend. Start with a fistful of kosher salt. And then we're gonna add some fresh cracked black pepper. Grind it fresh out the pepper grinder, so fragrant. Then we're gonna get our paprika. That's right, shake a little bit of paprika in there. Don't worry, I will put all of the measurements in the description box. Sprinkle a little cayenne pepper in there. If you like it spicy, put more. If not, put less. Garlic powder, of course. Gotta have the garlic powder on those chicken wings. You can adjust this any way you like. Add whatever you want in there, but this is what we're gonna do today. Now that our chicken is about halfway cooked, it's time to season. So, we'll sprinkle our seasoning blend that we just mixed up onto the chicken, get it nice and even, and then flip it over and season the other side. So that is the key to seasoning frozen chicken wings, is to season them halfway through cooking. Now we're going to spray them with a little oil. I'm using avocado oil spray, and let's get them back in the air fryer and let them finish cooking. We're going to check them before the timer is up just to make sure that we don't overcook our chicken wings. We'll do the same thing with the chicken wings we've got cooking in that Ninja Foodi Grill. We'll season them halfway through cooking, flip those bad boys over, season them on the other side, and spray them down with that avocado oil. You can use canola oil if you like, and then let them finish cooking. You can see some of the steam escaping, which is normal when the moisture is cooking out of your food. Started these from frozen in the Cosori. Looks good. Hit that thumbs up for the sizzle, y'all. Halfway through cooking, seasoned it with salt, pepper, a little paprika. It's hard to check the temperature in the wings since there's no, oh yeah, that's actually past done. Could have used maybe 2 minutes less. Give it a taste, see what we're working with. It's got a little bit of crunch to it, not too bad. It's got a little crispiness to it, as I sprayed it with oil, but those are done. You see it's done all the way to the bone. That's a nice job, and that was, what, about 24 minutes. Good deal. Now let's check on those wings that we cooked in the Ninja Foodi Grill. That's a nice sizzle. Let's check the temperature and then check the crunch test. Yeah, those are definitely done. And I like my chicken wings a little more cooked. I don't like them like just barely cooked. I want them really cooked through. I think they make it more tender like that. Now, we're going to crunch this flat. Let's see what it's talking about. Wow, did you hear that crunch? Oh, now that to me is a clear winner. From frozen, the Ninja Foodi Grill does a better job at getting a crispy wing. Yeah, Ninja Foodi Grill beats the Cosori at getting crispy chicken wings from frozen. And no flour was added to either recipe. The Ninja Foodi Grill is the clear winner of Battle Frozen Chicken Wings, hands down. Now let's clean up. Both the Cosori and the Ninja Foodi Grill have non-stick coatings. They're both made out of aluminum. Cleanup is easy on the both of them. You know, it's not really sticking. They're still a little bit warm, slightly warm, not hot. We're gonna fill them up both with hot soapy water, let them sit for a minute, and then scrub it out with our OXO palm scrubber, which is my favorite cleaning tool in the kitchen. I'll put the link to that down below in the description box, but they both clean up easy. I feel like the material on the Ninja Foodi Grill, the pans themselves are thicker and sturdier, and the coating seems thicker. So the cleanup on that is a little bit easier, but it's not a huge difference. But you know, they both clean up easy. I still prefer the cleanup on that Ninja Foodi Grill. This is that palm scrub brush I was talking to you about. It's just super easy at getting those in those grooves of these grill pans. It works really well without scratching the nonstick coating, and then you just rinse it right off. Easy peasy.
The Ninja Foodi Grill versus the Cosori air fryer. They both do a great job as air fryers. But if you want something that does a little bit more, the Ninja Foodi Grill has other functions, dehydrate, and it functions as an indoor grill as well. And it goes to a higher temperature, so that gives you a little bit more flexibility with what you're cooking. I prefer the Ninja Foodi Grill. The price is higher. It retails for about $199. I purchased the Cosori for $119, so there is a bit of a price difference. If you're looking for a straight up air fryer, I think the Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer does a fantastic job. If you want something that has multi-purposes, multi-functions, and gets a little hotter, then the Ninja Foodi Grill is the way to go. Well, that's it, sweeties. The Ninja Foodi Grill versus the Cosori air fryer. I prefer the Ninja Foodi. I think the Ninja Foodi wins. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. Y'all have a delicious day. Oh yeah, if you want to learn more about the Ninja Foodi Grill, check out this playlist. And if you want to see more recipes with the Cosori air fryer, check out this playlist. Oh, and subscribe.